Hamby crew, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. So I'm starting off with shrunken hair, and I just sprayed some water. So I'm gonna go ahead and part a section at the front of my head. All right, so next I'm gonna go ahead and put on my wig cap on the back section. So we're gonna go ahead and get our hairline together because we want it to look as natural as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some Eco Styler gel, and I'm just gonna brush up my hairline like so, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and do a flat twist. Decided to go back in with some even edge control to further lay down my edges and get them how I want them to be. So this is the unit that I'll be putting on. It is from MyFirstWig. The name is CARLA. And as you guys can see, I folded the band back so that it wouldn't be, as exposed, because we're going for a very natural look. I want to show you guys how to make your headband wig look very natural. So I sprayed some water on the hair just to fluff it out and get it shaped how I want it to be. And I'm also adding some mousse. So as you guys can see, by me making the band smaller is giving like a more natural look. Now you can wear the band. There's nothing wrong with wearing the full band, but I wanted to show you guys another way. Look how good this unit looks. I didn't add a headband because I want to show you guys how natural it looks. Excuse the mousse that's left over, but look at that, you guys, popping. So you definitely could do the flat twist method. So I'm going to go into my second way of making the hairline look natural with your headband wig. And I made a part in the middle of my head. I added a little bit of edge control to the part just so everything will stay down and in place. Y'all know how parts, they'll get crooked really quick on you. So I'm just adding some gel and brushing my hair one back. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply my wig cap and get it adjusted. So basically, I'm just going to go ahead and take my edge control and lay down my edges and get them to how I want them to look. I ain't doing the most today like I normally do, but I'm keeping it cute. But yeah, so I left out my little sideburns so I can do my curly cues on the side. I know I love those. And my hair blends and matches with this texture really nicely. So I really like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the unit back on, leaving the band pushed inside of the wig. And it's not uncomfortable or anything like that, you guys, to wear it this way. It's very comfortable. The unit fits really great on my head. Y'all know MyFirstWig always comes through. I forgot to rate the unit at the end of the video, but I'm giving this unit an A+. It is bomb, you guys. I really love it. So I'm just adding some water and some mousse because I wanted to show y'all what the unit would look like, kind of like more defined and not as like fluffed out as I had it before. Look at this unit, y'all. Like, I am loving it. MyFirstWig, y'all did y'all thing. Like, it looks so good. Like, it just looks amazing. I'm loving it. So, of course, I got to go ahead and show you guys what it would look like with the headband. This is a headband that they provided. So, I'm just going to go ahead and put that on. And this is what it looks like with the headband. Very cute. Hey MB crew, I'm Mona B here. Turn on your post notifications, subscribe to my Mona B Uncut channel, and follow me on Instagram at MonaXBanks. So it's been a minute and I'm back with a new do or whatever, and I feel like the camera is not doing this unit justice. This unit is bomb. Like, I don't know why the camera's not doing it justice, but I feel like, it's doing it. But in real life, it's lit, okay? So this headband wig is from MyFirstWig. You guys know I've worked with them. All of the videos will be in the description box below, so check them out. So the wig that I'm rocking today's name is CARLA. It's a Coily 3C4A unit, and it is a human hair wig. It is in 10 inches, and it is in the texture silky. It is super full, you guys. I love it. Y'all know I love a short unit. This is definitely up my alley for this time of year. It is summertime, and this is going to be perfect for me because, or for those of you guys that don't like hair on your neck, because it's not sitting on your neck. It is 10 inches. It is super full, and look how natural it looks. Like, this is like my real hair. And especially, I showed you guys a few different ways that you can rock this so that your hairline looks really, really natural, so that no one can even tell that you're even rocking a wig. Like, if I take this headband off, you guys are gonna see like how natural this unit looks. Like, how natural this look. Like, it like, do you have on a wig? Do she got on a wig? No, it's giving scalp. It's giving her real hair because it's all in the hairline, baby. You got to get that hairline right, and it's really, really quick and easy to install, and really quick and easy to make it look very natural how I have mine today. I really like that. I wanted to show you guys that you do not necessarily have to wear a headband. There is other ways that you can rock your headband wig. I'm really liking this one, Carla. Like, she is so cute. It's like, I love the fact that it's not, I like the fact that it's off of my neck. I cannot stand here on my neck when it is hot. Like, I cannot. So this is definitely going to be perfect, you guys. She's super full. She has so much definition, so pretty, so realistic. And I love this unit, you guys. Super soft. The hair is so soft and bomb. Like, my first wig always come through. The construction of the cap is nice. My first wig, y'all already know. Y'all be doing it. Y'all be doing the thing. But yes, you guys, look how natural it looks, though. It's looking natural for me. It's the natural look for me. And y'all see I made the band look a little bit more sleeker, not as noticeable. But you can go ahead and put your headband on. Another way that you can make your hair look really, really natural. My hair's not long enough yet, but you can actually like cover this with your real hair. When my hair gets a little bit longer, I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna. Ooh, what was that? Wow. When my hair gets a little bit longer, I'm definitely gonna be like showing y'all how to like cover the band, like cover it completely, like how I would do it. But for now, if your hair is short like mine, this is definitely a great alternative until you can do that. It's doing what it needs to do. Like, it's giving me the vibes. It's giving me the summer vibes, and I am digging it. Like, I'm really digging the vibes. Like, look how full it is. Y'all see that? Like, my first wig, y'all did a really good job on the cut. Like, the cut is really nice. You just gotta kind of work with the top to shape it to how you, well, get it to lay how you want it to lay. I'm not sure, but I might go in and shorten this a little bit. I was thinking about it, but I was like, no, let me just show them the wig how it comes. But I may go back and cut some layers in the top or something. I'm not sure. It depends. But I've been loving my headband wigs, you guys. I wear them all the time. Guys, if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you guys go ahead and check out the description box, because that's where it's at, so you can go ahead and get your hairline to look natural like mine. Really easy. Y'all seen, I showed y'all how to get the look, and I really love it. Like, it's so cute. Yes, 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 yes. It is doing what it needs to do. It's the skin, it's the hair. Yes, 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 yes. I am feeling myself. I'm feeling so cute. And you can feel cute too. It is so beautiful, super cute, easy to style. So make sure you guys check out My First Wig. Everything about them will be in the description box below. The hair that I'm rocking today will also be in the description box below as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.